Hello, my friend. What I have here is the logic brain microprocessor. Here, that is the 4017 that I just replaced today, and when I'm switching, it's doing the correct job. And when I was switching here, it wasn't working at all, but now it is, and I'm very happy about it. So the story of this chip, it got burned. I have absolutely no idea why. I replaced, I don't know if you can see it good enough. You see this brown, it's kind of, yeah, I see this brown here is a capacitor. Before I had this guy here, 1 microfarad. The 1 microfarad is sitting there, and it was for my testing that I did so far. It was too slow, and it was good enough, but I wanted it a little bit more faster, and it was jumping from very slow. All the when I was rotating this pot from minimum to almost to its maximum, and when it was slow, and the counter, the timer here, and when I was reaching almost like 90% to 100%, it was jumping to extremely fast, like, and I didn't like it. So I changed that capacitor there into 500 nanofarads. It's half of 1 microfarad, and I get a very good, very good. Actually, you see, from slow to very slow. This is the slowest, 1 bit per second almost, probably, but very close to 1 second probably. So 1 hertz I'm having here, and if I'm rotating it, is increasing exponentially probably, or linearly. And it's a bit more faster and more controllable than it was with the other one. That was the problem with the other one. And I had some problems when I tested what I tested. I tested with this 2 pins. I got some weird results on the motor when it was running, and it was before when I had that 1 microfarad capacitor. But when I changed that capacitor there, this chip motherfucker, I don't remember touching it. I really don't remember, but probably I did touch it with my fingers. Without my earth connection grounding, you know, and it got just like that. It just stopped, and I had a ton of errors here, and nothing was working here. Everything was down. The voltage, the current, it was very low. Everything was very dimly lit. He was struggling to work when it was switched on this LED on this chip. That's why it's good to have a working LED for the chip. You know, right now is, and also I had a brilliant idea to put LEDs in the line with each chip to tell me which one is selected. And it was very easy to figure out which one was damaged from the two by having that LED telling me that's the one that is damaged. And also, yeah, I did. I took out everything. This red wire that I have here, very long wire, here is the signal, and I took it out, and the entire circuit board was still at very low current. The sign was that it was a short here inside the chip. So I took it out. Here it is, the bad chip that was before. I put a marking on it, bad, with red. But I still think it is good for the other pins. It will count correctly for the other pins, I guess. And how I worked right now, because it's winter, it's very electrostatic hazard right now, and I get it. And when I changed this chip, I put my link to earth. This is my linking to earth. This is a piece of spoon. I took a spoon, I cut its tail here, and this is how I'm using it. I'm taking this elastic, I don't know how it's called, you know, elastic in English, that is, you know, like this, and I put it in here on my wrist, and this I inserted it like that, and that's my this is my connection to earth, and this my table here is metal, and it is connected to earth. And also I took out every connections from this power source, both of them actually, that one and this one, because even with both of them closed, when I'm working and wearing that connection to ground, I still get a zip zang, even from the negative rail, not the positive. The negative is zanging me a little bit, and it's very annoying, and it's like it's okay. I'm not dying from it, but it's not dangerous or anything. But it's very annoying. It's extremely annoying. It's a current. It's a voltage on my skin, and it's not pleasant. It's irritable. It's very irritable. So that's the thing. How the story of this chip, that it got burned and got replaced, and right now it's absolutely fine, working, absolutely happy, and I am happy that I resolved its problem. This is the full step mode drive, converting that signal from there, which is wave drive here, simple as it was the original. This is the second board, and you can hear it. This is the L6506 here, and the wires to L298 there is. This is the dude that you hear it, and this is the frequency. This is the frequency that you are seeing here, not there, because that is a bit more faster. I put a resistor here to actually hear it. You know, it's staying in balance a little bit to make some noise. And I wanted to show you the amperage. I put it at 7 volts. You told me to put it at 10 volts, but at somewhere at 8 or 9 volts is starting to get hot. Right now is okay-ish, but if I'm leaving it, I don't know, it is getting hot very slowly. So it's kind of misleading, this voltage that I have here. The curve is very, is very like that, but it will in the end get at a point where it will be extremely hot, I think. I've noticed is getting a bit more hot if I'm raising the voltage to 8 or 9 very quickly. It will get hot, the motor. So I'm usually running it at 5 volts for testing purposes and everything, and for safety, you know. But after the discussion with you, I understood a lot of stuff. Some stuff I knew, but not really. I knew some stuff from before speaking with you, from before this project, but extremely elementary. They're not even close as advanced as we get with your explanations, pretty much. What I wanted to show you is this very large fluctuation. I want to show you also. Motherfucker, stay there. He's moving. Yeah, that's the sound that I like it. Everything is running smoothly here, but the motor is tuck, 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 and stopping a little bit. You hear it? Yeah, but it's doing the reverse thing. Check this out. If he is rotating like that, when I'm switching here, it's going in the other sense. Motherfucker. And also, you can hear the source, the power source. It's like it's making a slight noise like that. Motherfucker. Makes some noise there. And what I wanted to show you, yes, the potentiometer. I hope you can hear the click when it will make the click. Now, you hear it? It made the click. Now it's making another click. So this is the minimum right now. And everything stays at 0.02. If I'm rotating it slightly, come on, motherfucker. Doesn't, for some reason, and it was extremely sensitive before, but now when I'm filming, it's fucking around. Come on, you motherfucker. No, it's just fucking with me. It's fucking with my video here, motherfucker. No. He's doing something. It wasn't like this before. When I changed a little bit, zang. You see? Understand it? So it's like it's not running. But this is a. It didn't behave like this. It's erroneous right now because when I was reaching that starting point when it clicked and I rotated like 1, 2, probably 2 turns. It was jumping to as you can see, very erroneous. The amperage, it's jumping all around. I don't like it. And this spot, actually, I like it more because it's quick and I don't have to snipe. Yeah, that's what I want to hear. So it's on minimum right now already, and I turn it turn it a little bit. For some reason, yeah, you see. I hope you can hear it. It's very, very slow. It's a little bit from here to here, kind of. It's like tick, tick, tick. It's very, very, not really. I didn't turn it at all. And right now, if I'm turning, it doesn't have the behavior it was having it before. For some reason, I don't know. When I'm turning it to other side, it's on maximum 800, 900. For some reason now is even higher in amperage. And now I'm turning it back, so it's towards the minimum. Yeah, there is some kind of scale there. Now it's getting to its maximum. Yeah, kind of. 800, 900. And when I'm turning it back to minimum, the entire range is switching very, 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 from 900 to 600, 800, I don't know, 700, I don't know what is there. You tell me. So yeah, yeah, I don't know what to say. Probably the speed. This speed, like it's very slow right now. It's step by step, tuck, 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 as you can already hear it. Probably that's why it's influencing all this jumping around, and probably the potentiometer itself, the behavior. I really don't know. This is kind of new stuff for me. I did play it before with stepper motors, and but I didn't do all of this. I was following some online circuits, and it did work. I was commanding them through parallel port very long time ago. Through my PC, my very old PC. Yeah, I don't know what I did there back then. I did some tests. Probably most probably I used an ULN 2003 back then, and not really that. And also transistors I used. It's from what I remember. But this is the first time when I'm using this L298 motor driver, current driver bullshit. That is not doing anything. Yeah. So this is the behavior. This is how I'm running everything. I hope it will be good for you to see it and advise upon it. And thank you very much for everything, for staying with me, and assist me, and correct me, and help me. Thank you very much. We will see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye from Romania.